welcome back to my channel. You guys. Today's video, I don't even know if I was going to do this video, but I'm going to troop it out and I'm going to do the video. So I'm going to be giving myself a Brazilian wax. I know, right? Now, I did attempt to do this off camera. It hurt. It really did. But I wanted just to try it off camera just to get myself used to the pain just a little bit. I mean, I've given birth to kids, so I'm sure I can get through a little Brazilian wax. So we gonna see. You guys, the goal, 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna keep saying that in every video. We are moving along. But again, the goal is 1,000 subscribers. I would like to thank you guys for tuning into all of my videos. Make sure that notification bell is turned on. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn that bell on so you guys can watch me every single time that I upload a video. Okay? So if you guys would like to see this video and you would like to see me give myself a Brazilian wax, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so the wax pot that I'm going to be using is this. I did order this off of Amazon and it was pretty cheap. I think it was like 30 bucks or whatever. I will leave the link to this whole kit. It did come with 4 packets of wax beads. It comes with the sticks, the pre-prep spray, and then the wipe off liquid after. So it came with a lot of stuff and it's pretty cheap. I will go ahead and leave that in the description box, you guys. So let's get started with this video. I do have a dress on. I'm just going to pull my dress up. And no, I'm not showing my private parts, okay? But I will wax on camera. So I'm going to start. Let me raise this up real quick. I'm so nervous, you guys. Okay. My wax pot here. You want to make sure that it is the consistency of honey. You don't want to burn yourself. So it's kind of like that. Like, ooh, lava. So it's perfect. Stir it a little bit. Okay. And here goes nothing. So I'm using it on this stick. Oh, Lord. Help me, Jesus. Oh, my God. Okay, so there, the instructions was to apply it with the grain of hair and then pull in the opposite direction. And you guys could use baby powder just to absorb any moisture that you may have on your skin to help you with pulling out the hairs. Yeah, you don't want to pull it out slow. I messed up off camera and I tried to pull that thing off slow, and no. Pull it off fast. It's less pain when you just rip it off and then boom, it's over with. So right now I'm just starting with my bikini line and we're going to just work our way around. This is crazy, y'all. Okay, it's almost dry. I just put it on there. And what I like to do so my wax don't cool too fast before I got to reheat it, I'll apply it to 2 areas and then I'll rip off 1 area. So I'm going to apply it to 2 areas and then work on the other area, if that makes sense. And you want to put it thick enough so that when you peel it upward, because we're not using strips. When you peel it upward, you have like a little tab to kind of work with. Okay, this side's almost dry. Okay, guys. Okay. Here goes nothing. 1, 2, ouch. Ooh, it came right off. Gross. But I did it. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Okay, let's try another piece. See, it's not so bad, but I ain't gonna be saying that when I get to the other area. And y'all know what area I'm talking about, because I tried that. That hurt. But I'm a trooper, so we gonna get it. Oh my God. You guys. You guys. I'm just laying it on there. Let that dry. Now the other area that I was working on is dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and snatch off this other little area. Ouch. Ow. Ooh. Came right off. Oh God. Okay. This is going smoothly so far. I'm like, okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Okay, let me just get this next area. I'm still working on my bikini line. So I'm gonna get that part first and work my way around. And then I did hear that when you keep waxing, eventually the hair will grow back thinner, making it a lot easier for you to wax. Which I like because I'm a no hair girl. I don't like that. I've been like that my whole entire life since puberty. I do not like hair down there, honey. I like to keep myself nice and groomed. All right, so this other area, ooh, that hurt. This other area is, ouch, is dry, and I'm going to snatch it off. So you want to kind of pull the skin down, ooh, ouch, and rip upward. That's how you get it off. It came off, though. I'm happy about that. So far, so good. It's so much easier if you're laying down, but I'm sitting in my chair, so it's pretty comfortable. You definitely want to find a comfortable position. Now the other area has dried. Oh gosh. Oh, that wasn't so bad. One more little piece. Ow, 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 ow. When you snatch it off quick, guys, it's so much easier. Still working on. I'll let you know when I get to the inner part, because that's the part that hurts. This is a cakewalk, this part. I'm saying that now, huh? Okay. Now I'm working on the side that has dried. Get this damn thing off. Oh, Lord Jesus. That's not dry yet. That's not completely dry yet. I think I might have to heat my wax back up. You don't want it too cold, the wax. You want it kind of warm like honey. Otherwise, it's not going to work, guys. I wanted to do my underarms, but I couldn't let it grow. Like, it grosses me out. I have to, like, I don't know how people do that. Oh, that hurt. That one kind of hurt it. But it did take it off. Coming along. Oh, goodness. This part is about to hurt, y'all. It's like the top leading down to the middle. And, oh, my God. Okay. Let me get a tab. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's ripping. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ow. Oh, God. That was... Whew. Got it, though. Got it. Okay, let me reheat my wax. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back, and I heated my wax back up a little bit, so we got that honey-like consistency going again. Okay. Now we're working our way down, guys. Starting to get scary here. Okay. Okay, apply it in the direction of the hair growth. And then pull on the opposite side. So I'm gonna let that part dry. And then I'm going to work on the other side. Let's get this on here. Okay. I'm doing it. Oh my goodness. This kind of getting scary a little bit. Okay. Ooh-wee. Okay. So this side I'm still working on. The left side I'm still working on my bikini line. The right side I'm coming in a little bit and I'm letting it dry. Okay, that one's dry. Ooh, the left side is dry, y'all. Ow. Oh, Jesus. Okay. All right, the other side is dry. The right side is dry. Ah. Oh my God, that hurt. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, gotta get a little tab. 2, 3, pull. Ah. See, it's much easier when you do it fast. Don't try to do it slow, you guys, because, oh God, that hurt. Okay. This other side's drying. So I'm working on, I should have heated this wax up a little more because I think I might have to reheat it. Oh God. Okay. I'm getting like to the inner lip area, and boy, that is painful. Okay, I think the left side is dry. Oh my gosh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That hurt. Oh, that hurt. That hurt. That hurt. I'm not even gonna front. That little pull hurt, but not anything I can't take. That's all. Okay. All right. Put some more on that left side so it can dry. Now the right side is ready to go. Give me a little leverage. Tab. Ooh, ouch. Oh my God. Ah. Okay. All right, this left side almost dry. Almost dry. Okay, I think it's dry, y'all. Oh, that only took off a few hairs. I went through that for nothing. Okay, so I gotta reheat my wax. Just hold on. Okay, I'm back, and it's heated. Back to that honey consistency that I was telling you guys about. All right, let's wrap this thing up. I use about this much. You definitely want to make sure it's thick enough. Okay. Finish this left side. I'm going to let that dry and then put some on the right side. And then we're going to snatch it off. Okay. Letting that side dry. Almost dry, y'all. Okay. Okay, now the left side is ready. Oh, gosh. Oh, got it off. Okay. Missed a little piece right there. All right, right side is almost dry. Now I'm getting to the inner part, y'all, and this is where it gets painful. I'm scared. Okay. I gotta make little tabs. Making those little tabs hurt. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. All right, just make sure you pull this, like pull your skin downward. Whew. Oh, that hurt. Okay. Whew. Still got a little bit more to go. Okay. Check, check, check. Okay. I'm thorough with everything that I do. I don't like missing spots, so I like to get everything. Just putting it on there and letting it dry. And then we're gonna snatch it off. Ooh wee, y'all. I mean, it's definitely worth it. Brazilian waxes are expensive, you guys. And it's so much cheaper to do it at home. I mean, for real. Like, I like to save money, but I'm not. And you don't want everybody in between your legs looking at your business. Like, you know your body, and you could save money just doing this yourself. Okay, let me see. Oh, Lord. Okay. The left side, y'all. Okay. Still working on the left side. Left side, left side, left side. Okay, this is like the inner part on the left side. Oh, I gotta make a tab. Oh my gosh, guys. Ooh, just pull it in one snatch. One snatch. It wasn't coming off in one snatch. Okay, now we doing the right side, y'all. Oh Gotta get a little tap. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Oh me goodness. Okay, you guys. Whew. Okay, we're doing the inner part now. This is the part that hurts. Oh, Lord Jesus. Ooh, these girls are brave doing this on camera. Oh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh. You guys, y'all know I love y'all because nobody should be doing this on camera. Oh. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. The things women have to go through. Whew, geez Louise. Okay, I got a little bit left and then we gonna wrap this thing up, y'all. Dang, I forgot what I was gonna tell y'all. Oh, you definitely want to shower before you do this, and then after, just to get like little particles of wax off of you, you just wipe it off. It comes right off. All right, one last area and then we are done. Just getting my little wax ready. And I do have this papaya soap that I wash with just down there. If you shave for a long time, it'll get rid of like discoloration and stuff like that. I mean, I don't have any real discoloration, but just to prevent it, I use it. And I don't get like hair bumps or anything. I know some people, you know, suffer with that. And this is another way of preventing that. If you're a shaver and you shave like every day or every other day and it's irritating your skin, the better route to go would be to wax. And you'll get used to it, you guys. After a couple of pulls, it gets better. Like, it does get better. Trust me. I'm just looking at this. But I never let that area get out of control because, like I said, I like to keep myself groomed. I've been like that even as a teen. All right, so let me go ahead and finish this up. Oh, my gosh. One more pull. Ow. Last little part. Oh. This. All right. Okay, you guys. This is the end of my video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you leave a comment if you guys have tried the Brazilian wax at home and let me know what experience you had doing that, because this was a journey, you guys. I do appreciate you guys watching my video. I love, love, love you, and I will see you next time. Bye.